In this video, I'll show you how to add a chatbot to your Lovable app. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the project where you want to add the chatbot. Next, use the AI chat to describe the chatbot you want to build. For example, you can ask Lovable to create a customer support chatbot, an FAQ assistant, or an AI assistant for your business. Be as specific as possible so the generated chatbot matches your requirements. After that, let Lovable generate the chatbot interface and functionality. Review the result, then continue chatting with the AI to refine the design, update the conversation flow, or add new features based on your needs. Now, preview your app and test the chatbot by asking a few sample questions. If something doesn't work as expected, return to the AI chat and request additional changes until you're satisfied with the results. Finally, save your changes and publish your app. Your chatbot will now be available for users to interact with in the live version of your application. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a chatbot to your Lovable app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.